This video is going to walk you through how you can upload YouTube Shorts on your YouTube Studio. So without much ado, let's get started. You must make sure you log into your YouTube Studio and you click on Upload Videos. After clicking on Create, click on Upload Videos, and then you have to select the files. And you have to remember that the files must has been in 9:16. Yeah, and a portrait mode. So if you don't know how to do that, check the description below, or you check my video. I've already made a video on that. So here is the 9:16 portrait video that I've made. So I am going to drop it on the YouTube Creator Studio app, and then after dropping, there are some things you really have to do that is going to guide you. So I've already dropped this, and there it is now uploading, and we have the title. You input your title, and then it's loading. So there are some things you really have to do. Your description is there, you may put it, and then some things when it comes to tag. Well, according to what I've read so far, tag is not really that important for YouTube Shorts, but you can easily put tag there if you wish, and you put your description there. But your title is very important. That is, you have to work with your SEO. So one thing you really have to now do is to, this is so much important for YouTube to know that you really mean the video, especially when you upload on a laptop. You have to use the hash sign. So I'm typing it here on my browser in order to copy. So this is the hash sign, and then that is where you are going to put in. You're going to input it on your description, and then YouTube algorithm is going to know that you are uploading shorts. If you do not put in hash, YouTube will count it as a normal video. So put your hash and you type shorts, hash shorts. So once you do that, then the video, providing that it is 9:16 and it's not more than 60 seconds, then it is now ready to be called a short video. So for the other video elements, you have to click on no, it's not made for kids. That one is very important, and you must make sure that it's not someone else's video. And then you, like I said before, you can input your tag, and you may not input a tag. And if you are through with that, then when it comes to thumbnail is not really important. I've not really been seeing a lot of creators that are putting in thumbnail in there, especially for YouTube Shorts, because it's just for a few seconds, a minute to play. So for your playlist, well, you may put it there, and then remember I told you that you must make sure that it is an original content. So once you are through with that, you just hit on next, and then you click on upload. So once you click on upload, that is, then your video will be like this. It will be like this on the screen, and then I don't want to upload it because I already have it. So that is how your video is going to be. If you love this content, remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.